Hello all, welcome back to Matthew's Modelling. Right, something a little bit more fun and quirky for you today, and a lot smaller as well than what I've shown in more recent times. So, if I get a little bit closer, what do we have here? Well, I'll tell you what we have. We have a 009 scale miniature railway class 37. How cool is this? Right, so I must admit, I must confess that I'm getting more and more heavily into 009 really. I won't say more than 00 gauge, but it's definitely up there and it's not far behind being one of my main scales that I'm preferring to model actually these days. I love miniature railway things. I love the narrow gauge scene, and yeah, I am doing more and more of this 009 stuff. With that said, when I saw this little thing, I thought, right, okay, I ain't missing this. So, 3D printed body. Now, this body is made and is currently sold by Shapeways, but is made by an independent fellow. Goes by the name of David Moulton, if I remember rightly, and he has a vast range of full-size mainline locos, all shrunk down to 009 scale. Now you've got to take these with a pinch of salt. Yeah, they're obviously not going to be 1000% accurate. Adaptations are going to have to be made for it to fit, fit into the scale. But yeah, they really are absolutely brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Now I'd seen a few people do these, and like I said, I didn't want to pass upon the opportunity. I was getting a little bit jealous. I wanted to have a crack at one myself. And this isn't actually the only body I got. I did actually get a Class 17 Clayton as well, but it needs a bit of a remodel, does that, and a bit of a spruce up before that gets showcased. But yeah, this one, and the print is absolutely fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Now, like I say, they are for sale on Shapeways, but I actually bought this one direct from David himself when he was thinking about printing and selling from his base, but he didn't actually continue with the idea. So it is Shapeways where these are bought from. But yeah, this print, wonderful, absolutely brilliant. It really is a good showcase of what resin 3D printing can achieve. As for the livery, so when it turned up, to be honest, I wasn't too sure. I did think maybe just a BR blue. I'd seen an example done in an all over green with a small yellow panel, which looked pretty nice as well. But I do have a bit of a soft spot for Intercity. So I thought, let's go for it. I won't lie, it wasn't the easiest option to go with really on such a small scale. All those doorways and vents and grills and things there, although lovely being achieved in in 3D, at such small dimensions to spray and mask more importantly, bit difficult, but we did it, we managed it. And yeah, turned out absolutely brilliant, I think. The curvature of the body itself, so the bonnet tops and the roof there, again, some minor lining on there, but with a quick sand they came out more or less fully. But definitely a paint job or a respray that I was proud of. But yeah, brilliant. Just to give you a bit of an idea of scale, I mean, this is a a ready to run 009 loco. Plonk that next to it, as you can see, not much difference really. I think I think the CAD work has been done rather well, to be fair. If we just move that and just bob a little narrow gauge wagon behind it, yeah, definitely works. Now I am planning on doing a matching coach, I think, which would look pretty good. So that is the plan. Problem is the coach I've chosen doesn't actually go around my 009 track work at the minute, so we'll wait and see on that one. But yeah, it got a lot of attention, like I say, online elsewhere, Facebook, Instagram and stuff, so it felt right just to again get it showcased on here. But if you can find him on Shapeways, like I say, His CAD work and his prints are, you know, really are good. It bobs straight onto a Kato chassis. Can't remember what number this one is, but it's the one with the double bogies underneath. Straight on there, sits perfectly. Add a bit of weight to it. Brilliant model, absolutely brilliant. But yeah, there you go. 009/Miniature Railway Class 37. So yeah, like I said, I'm proud of this one of my favourites, so really keen to hear your feedback and comments on this one. Yeah, let me know. Right, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.